Namaste, welcome to Gita's kitchen. Today I'll show you an interesting way to make a one pot dish, that is tomato rice, very easily in our pressure cooker. Those who have been following my videos will definitely know how much use I make of the pressure cooker. It is one of my greatest friends in my kitchen, I would say, because it is so convenient to use and time saving too. So today I am showing you this pressure cooker from Indus Valley Cookware. This is a tri-ply stainless steel pressure cooker from the Indus Valley, and I can show you. This is of 3 liters capacity. The beauty is that because of being tri-ply, first of all it is quite heavy and it has got 3 layers of metal. So there is even heat distribution and whatever you cook will cook well in this. And pressure cooker is very useful. First of all, it is very healthy. The cooking material is pure stainless steel and surgical grade stainless steel. So very healthy, no toxic chemicals. Secondly, it is hygienic to cook, and of course maintenance is very easy. All you have to do is wash it with your simple dishwash gel, rinse it, dry it with a cloth, and it's good to go for the next meal that you want to prepare. This is the bottom of the pressure cooker. This is the lid with the handle, and this is the gasket. Always rinse the gasket before and after use and fit it in. Then after keeping your items to be cooked in the pressure cooker, press it on one side and close it like this. Very simple operation. And then when the steam comes out, you can put in this weight valve. Allow the pressure to die down completely after your cooking is over. Then release this and open your cooker. Now let's see how to make this one pot tomato rice. For this, we'll take 3 ripe red tomatoes and grind it in a blender jar to a fine puree without adding any water. So we have got 1 cup of tomato juice. I am taking 1 cup of regular Sona Masuri raw rice, which we use in our everyday cooking. I will wash it and bring it back. So for 1 cup of Sona Masuri raw rice, we will take 1 cup of tomato juice and 1 cup of water. First, I will add about 2 tablespoons of oil in this. Here I have about 2 tablespoons of groundnuts. First we will fry this and remove it and keep it aside. See, when the groundnuts are well fried, drain it out from the oil and keep it aside. This is because we want to retain the crunch in it. Now to the same oil, here I have a bay leaf, 3 cardamoms, 2 cloves, 1 small piece of cinnamon and a teaspoon of soam for fennel seeds. Add it to the oil. 2 green chillies which I have slit, and a small piece of ginger grated. Some curry leaves, 2 onions I have chopped. Just fry these slightly in the oil. It is always a good idea to use a wooden spoon to take care of your stainless steel cookware. Here I have 1 tablespoon of mint or Pudina leaves. Just roughly chop them also and add. It gives a good flavor to your tomato rice. Now we can add in the masalas. So this is turmeric powder. I am adding 1 teaspoon of kashmiri chilli powder. This is not very spicy, but it will give a good color to your tomato rice. And salt. Mix the masalas also well. Next, we will add in 1 cup of this tomato puree and 1 cup of water. Mix it well and allow it all to come to a boil. See, it has started boiling now. At this stage, add the washed and drained rice to it. When it starts coming to a boil, once again, now we can cover the lid. And when the steam starts coming out, we can add this weight. See, the steam is coming out. Now add this weight and cook it on a medium flame for 1 whistle. Now we can switch it off. So while we are waiting for the pressure to come down from the cooker, we'll make a side dish. I have taken some beaten curd here for the raita. I am adding 1 chopped onion and 1 green chilli, also finely chopped. Mix it all well together. Just add a little bit salt. A few coriander leaves also on top. Your onion raita is now ready. Now we'll wait for the pressure to be released completely before opening this. So allow it to cool down. And the additional features, it has got bakelite handles, this cool touch top for this weight valve, and also a controlled pressure release gasket system. So now let's open this and see. Now gently fluff it up and we'll take it to our serving bowl. See, nice fluffy grains which are also well cooked and nothing is sticking to the bottom. Now we'll add these fried peanuts for that special crunchy taste. That's why we had reserved it earlier. Also some fresh coriander leaves for garnishing. Lovely steaming hot tasty tomato rice, some onion raita and fried appalam. Now, wasn't that easy to make? A lovely tasty dish, 1-pot dish. You just make it in your cooker and it is ready to be served. And you can have it for lunch, you can have it for dinner, you can pack it in your lunch box either for your office or your school tiffin box for the children also. Today I have made this 1-pot rice. We can make so many things in pressure cookers. We can make gravies, we can make sambar, we can steam idlis, a wide variety of things a pressure cooker will come to use for you. So I'll give you the complete details in the description box. I'll give you the detail of the product, that is this tri-ply stainless steel pressure cooker. I'll give you the website link also. And please do make use of this sale offer of 70% discount, plus you will get an additional 15% discount by using the coupon code Gita, Gita. Thank you for watching the video. Wish you all healthy cooking and happy cooking, safe cooking too. We'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.